If you're juggling several costly subscriptions just to edit PDFs and collect client signatures, your business is likely overpaying. PDFFiller solves this by providing an all-in-one document platform, direct inline PDF text editing, public links for fillable forms, AI-powered document generation, and more. By the end, you will know how PDFFiller can lower your software expenses. Part 1. Pros and the so what. Beyond the marketing hype, a document management tool's true value lies in its top-performing features. After extensive testing, 3 capabilities set this platform apart from typical web editors. The first one is really a suite of features: AI-assisted document generation, intelligent document workflows, and a vast library of forms. With simple text prompts, the automated workspace creates custom business forms from scratch and provides immediate access to millions of pre-configured business templates and legal documents. This saves operators thousands of dollars in legal fees. Instead of starting from a blank page, users can instantly select a compliant framework, tailor it to their needs, and send it for signature, all while reducing errors by 70%. Another standout feature of PDFFiller is just how easy it is to share forms. You can turn any document or questionnaire into a copy and pastable URL and send it to clients or colleagues in seconds. People can fill out forms, check boxes, and sign documents right in their browser. No account creation, no downloads, and no hassle. The whole process becomes smoother for everyone involved, and you spend less time chasing signatures and more time getting real work done. How much time, you may ask? Well, PDFFiller's comprehensive e-signature solution accelerates the signing process by up to 24 times compared to paper workflows. According to PDFFiller's own data, that comes out to about 40 hours per employee each month. The last feature worth highlighting is direct inline PDF text editing powered by OCR, optical character recognition. Rather than overlaying a basic text box on top of an error, this system allows you to click into any native PDF paragraph to edit words, change fonts, or adjust sizes with ease. If your document is a flat image from a scanner, the integrated OCR engine instantly converts it into editable text. In other words, you can fix typos or update content directly in your browser in seconds, eliminating hours of manual, tedious work. For professionals with tight deadlines, PDFFiller is a great way to eliminate administrative bottlenecks. Part 2. Cons and the reality check. Every major platform has its unique trade-offs, and finding the right fit means looking honestly at a few operational details. First, the trial structure requires a bit of proactive management. While the 30-day trial gives you excellent restriction-free access to all the premium features, the system is set up to automatically transition you into an annual package by default once that window closes. It is a highly efficient system if you're already planning to secure those long-term annual savings. But if you're just experimenting, you will want to drop a reminder in your calendar so you can manage your settings before the automatic billing cycle triggers. Second, because this is an online-first workspace, it gives you incredible cross-device flexibility. But your speed depends on your browser performance. If you are regularly pushing massive files near that 100 megabyte upload limit, especially documents filled with layered formatting and high-resolution graphics, you might experience a touch of rendering slowdown compared to using a bulky, resource-heavy desktop application. It is a natural trade-off for keeping your local hard drive completely clear, but it is a helpful detail to keep in mind if your business runs complex visual documentation packages every single day. Part 3. The workflow and UI. When you open the main dashboard for the first time, it is clear that the user interface was designed to mirror the clean simplicity of modern web apps rather than a cluttered legacy design. The workspace feels open and highly organized. The most common editing and annotation tools are neatly anchored to a top toolbar, keeping formatting options and signature setups accessible at a glance. Reordering pages is in a dedicated left-hand navigation page where you can duplicate, delete, or move pages via intuitive menus. Essential viewing controls and navigation panels sit quietly at the base of the monitor, preventing the central layout from feeling cramped. The learning curve is very low. If your staff can comfortably use basic office suites or web-based email clients, they will master this environment almost instantly. The setup time is virtually non-existent for an independent professional. You do not need to read dense handbooks or organize team training marathons. From the moment you log in, uploading local files or linking your cloud storage folders takes less than 2 minutes, letting you run live client workflows on day one. Now, if you've already decided to give pdfFiller a shot, you can use our affiliate links in the description below, where we often have special deals you wouldn't get on their website. Using that link helps support the channel at absolutely no cost to you, and it automatically hooks you up with a 30-day free trial so you can test drive all the premium tools with zero commitments. Now, let's look at how this actually fits into your existing tech stack with integrations. Part 4. Ecosystem and integrations. A document tool must play nice with your existing tech stack to keep your business operating efficiently. pdfFiller delivers seamless native integrations with major cloud storage systems, including Google Drive, OneDrive, and Dropbox. When working in these setups, you can open documents directly from your cloud folders, run full structural edits, and save revisions back to your master directory without performing manual local downloads. pdfFiller also connects with Zapier for cross-platform automation. If you're building multi-step workflows that push completed documents into Slack, a CRM, or another tool in your stack, it's worth testing your setup before relying on it in a live pipeline. Part 5. Price and the competition. To understand the true contextual value of this tool, we have to look at the math compared to its chief market competitor, Adobe Acrobat. Adobe is an industry standard, but it starts at roughly $25 per month for comparable multi-user features. By contrast, pdfFiller structures its pricing to offer a highly competitive, cost-efficient platform for teams looking to optimize their software spend. The pricing structure for pdfFiller completely undercuts that traditional model if you select their annual plans. The basic plan costs $20 per month, but drops to $8 per month when paid annually, covering core editing and text manipulation. The Plus plan costs $30 per month, or $12 per month on the annual plan, unlocking version history and smart organization folders. The Premium plan costs $40 per month, but drops to $15 per month annually, giving you full electronic signature workflows and complete access to the massive US legal forms library. Looking at the cost per results, the Premium plan provides comprehensive editing, template libraries, and legally binding sign-offs for less than Adobe's most basic standalone editor. Now, on top of that, they eliminate onboarding risk by offering a 180-day refund policy on annual plans, a financial safety net that Adobe simply does not match. Part 6. The verdicts. So, is pdfFiller actually worth it? The answer comes down to your professional persona. If you're a busy solopreneur, a real estate agent, a medical office administrator, or an SMB owner routing a high volume of client contracts, this platform is an absolute buy. It neatly combines an advanced text editor with a legally valid e-signature solution, saves hours of admin work, and respects your bottom line. Plus, because it carries full SOC 2 Type 2, HIPAA, and official PCI DSS certifications, the platform actively safeguards credit and debit card transaction data alongside your paperwork. If you're a realtor handling down payments or a business owner collecting client funds directly under your agreements, your data remains highly secure and compliant. It makes complete sense to jump in and use the 30-day free trial to see how much speed it adds to your operations. Now, on the other hand, if you're a casual user who only opens a PDF once or twice a quarter to read a simple manual, pdfFiller is likely much more robust than you actually need. The platform's high-tier compliance matrix and advanced automated workflows are genuinely designed to scale up active business operations. For very basic, occasional viewing tasks, sticking with your default system tools or a standard browser viewer will work perfectly fine. Alright, so if you found this video helpful and are planning to try pdfFiller, remember to use my link in the description. Now, I want to hear from your experience. Which document platform is your business currently using? And do you think switching to a consolidated ecosystem would make sense for your daily workflow? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.